Get ready with me, my love, this is my Jessica for the first day French Fashion Week. And I'm wearing this Salora by Chris Aquino. Remember, this is the pre-pandemic. Then I'm done with my makeup, so I use this eye palette from Guerlain. Here, almost consumed the silvery white. Yeah, for the lipstick, my favorite. This one, the limited pink color. Yeah, limited. For the blush, this Dior pink blush. I'm gonna wear again this Coco by Demoiselle perfume. Yeah, super. And this scent is so classy and so sophisticated. That's why I love this. And I will not only wear this because I'm gonna wear Ron Ramiro signature jacket. Yeah. So yeah, this is my outfit from Zara. So yeah, the logo is jacket. So this is my look. And for the bag, my Ferragamo and bag charm, my Melody. And because my favorite Sanrio is my Melody. Okay, so let's go now to French Fashion Week Day 1.